Welcome back to IPR Uncovered. IP as shown in Shark Tank India. Today, we are talking about a brand that wasn't just a design company, it was a vision for a global luxury brand made in India. We are talking about Never Odd or Even Design, or NUE Design for short. The pitch: Luxury Reimagined. The founders of NUE Design stepped into the tank with a pitch that was as elegant as their products. They've created a line of luxury lifestyle accessories with a focus on minimalist, modular, and functional designs. Their products, which include everything from desk organizers to laptop stands, were crafted from high-quality materials like American walnut and vegan suede. They were selling more than just accessories, they were selling an experience and a philosophy of quiet luxury. The founders' pitch focused on their global design validation, including a Red Dot Design Award, and their presence in prestigious international retail spaces like Harrods in London. This immediately caught the Shark's attention, as it validated the brand's potential to compete on a global scale. The ask? A confident 50 lakhs rupees for 1% equity, which valued the company at a staggering 50 crores rupees. This valuation was a testament to their belief in the brand's unique intellectual property and its potential to disrupt the massive global luxury goods market. IPR Uncovered, the Design Fortress. Now, let's get to the most crucial part of this analysis, their intellectual property. For a brand like NUE Design, which relies on proprietary designs, IP is its most valuable asset. The founders were very clear that they had a strong IP portfolio, including design patents and trademarks in India and the European Union. The core of their IP is their unique modular designs and their aesthetic. A design patent protects the ornamental appearance of a product. This gives NUE a legal monopoly on their unique modular designs, preventing competitors from copying the look and feel of their products. This is a crucial defensible moat that justifies their valuation and gives the Sharks confidence that they're investing in a unique, protected brand, not just a product that could be easily replicated. Additionally, their brand name, NUE, which stands for Never Odd or Even, is protected by a trademark, which prevents brand confusion in the market. The combination of strong design patents and trademarks shows that the founders are not just building a product, but a valuable, defensible brand. The outcome: a record-breaking deal. NUE Design's pitch was a huge success. The founders impressed the Sharks with their innovative products and strong IP. While the Sharks initially raised concerns about the company's financials and high debt, Peyush Bansal saw the bigger picture and made an unprecedented offer. He offered 5 crores rupees for 51% equity, the largest deal in Shark Tank India's history. While this was a major adjustment from their initial ask, it was a fantastic outcome for the founders. It valued the company at a still impressive 9.8 crores rupees and gave them the funding and mentorship to scale their operations. Closing note: the story of NUE Design is a great example of how a truly innovative product, backed by strong intellectual property, can impress even the most discerning investors. It shows that in a crowded market, design patents and trademarks can be the key to unlocking a profitable and defensible business. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think of this record-breaking deal? Do you think the founders made the right call by giving up a majority stake, or should they have held out for a better offer? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in the future of IPR. Because in a world full of ideas, the real game is in owning and protecting them. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video.